Hello everyone, welcome back to Elizabeth Collections YouTube channel. Today I am featuring this amazing Nike shoes which is called Air Jordan 3 Retro in Black Cat 2025. So without further ado, join me as I unbox it, show you the features, the details, and show you clips of these shoes on feet. Without further ado, let's get started. Here's the huge box, which is 1.5 kilograms. It is forwarded from Germany, and let's unbox it. There you go, the Jordan's black box. Let's check out this box. So here we see the Jordan's logo on the top. This is how it looks on the side because this is a very specific edition. And it looks like this. So now we see more information about it. It says Air Jordan 3 Retro. The size is Euro 38. Made in Vietnam. Alright, that's how it looks. Super cool details in here. Nike on the upper left part of the bottom of the box, and so on and so forth. Let's reveal the shoes. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, that is just so stunning. That is so beautiful. Wow. Just the details of it is so on point. I can see that the stitching is just very well done. That is such a beauty. I love this stunning black color. This beautiful shoes is known to the sneakers world as the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat. The Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Cat 2025 release is a revival of an iconic silhouette that exudes stealthy elegance. Wrapped in a premium black nubuck, the sneaker showcases subtle accents of dark charcoal on its signature elephant print overlays. The monochromatic design is elevated by the black patent leather, unique elephant print laces, and minimal black and chrome branding, creating a clean yet powerful aesthetic that resonates with Jordan's legendary Black Cat persona. This modern interpretation of the Black Cat features updated materials, making it as functional as it is stylish. The classic Jumpman logo on the tongue and the heel maintain its timeless appeal, while visible air units in the sole provide both comfort and an enduring retro vibe. This sleek design perfectly balances contemporary flair with Jordan's rich heritage. This was released 11th of January 2025 this year, and this Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Cat comes with a retail price of $200 for its original. This updated edition remains true to its roots, cementing its place as a staple for collectors and sneaker fans who value iconic design and unmatched craftsmanship. There you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on this video featuring this beautiful Jordan Black Cat iconic sports shoes. And please go ahead and check out Babalabags.co. Check out the description for more details and use my code to save on your entire purchase. There's so many beautiful sneakers on that website and very good quality. So check it out and see you on my next video.